Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the past tense short forms in quoted speech using to omoimasu or I think. For instance, in these sentences, those inside the box are the quoted speeches. So here we quote someone when we want to say that I think. So here I think that he went to buy something. I think he liked Yuki before. I think she wasn't very smart in high school. All the quoted speech are in the past tense. Okay. So here, the particle to, the hiragana to, is the hiragana that we're going to use when we are quoting something. So equivalent to that in English. I think that. And then omoimasu means I think. Omoimasu. Or omo for casual form. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use the present tense short forms and then to omoimasu. For instance, I'm going to buy shoes. Kutsu wo kaimasu. Kutsu wo kaimasu. So we add to omoimasu. This is wrong actually because it is in the long form or the polite form, in the mas form. And what we want to do is change it to the present short forms. So what is the present short form of kaimasu? That is kau. So kutsu kau to omoimasu. This is the correct sentences. Now this is in the present tense. Now we're going to do the past tense. For the past tense short forms, it's easy. For example, he went to buy shoes. Kutsu kaimashita. Kutsu kaimashita. He went to buy shoes. Okay, this is a simple sentence. Now, what if I want to say, I think she or he bought shoes. He went to buy shoes. In this case, we will add to omoimasu, and yet it is still incorrect because it is in the mas form or the long form, the polite form. What we want to do is to change it to the short forms. So what is the short form of kaimashita? That is katta. Katta. So kaimashita is the polite form and the short form is katta. Kutsu katta to omoimasu. I think he went to buy shoes or he bought shoes. This is now correct. Here is the table for the tenses. As you can see here, we have in the past tense kaimashita for the formal speech and kata for the informal speech or for the casual speech or kaimasen deshita, kawanakatta. This is your reference when you want to conjugate the verb. Now another one. He liked Yuki before. Izen kare wa Yuki-san ga suki deshita. Here, I want to add I think. I think he liked Yuki before. Again, as you can see, this is not correct because it is in the polite form. We must change it to the past tense short forms. And what is the past tense short form of suki deshita? That is sukidatta. Sukidatta. So, izen kare wa Yuki-san ga sukidatta to omoimasu. Or to omou for casual form. And this is correct. So, for the na adjective, as you can see, in the past tense form, the polite form is deshita, or the formal form or formal speech, we use deshita. while for the casual speech, we use datta, right? Deshita, datta. Another one. She wasn't very smart in high school. 高校の時、彼女は頭が良くなかったです。And then we can add と思います. Again, you can find what is wrong here, and that is the des is attached to the よくなかった. So this is in the polite form. We must change it to the short form. And what is the short form of よくなかった or 頭が良くなかった? That is, we just remove this. So it becomes 頭が良くなかった. And then we add the rest of the sentence. 高校の時、彼女は頭が良くなかったと思います. And this is now correct because the quoted speech is now in the short form. Alright? And this is the table here. As you can see, 良くなかったです. We just remove this to make it casual form. And it becomes 良くなかった. Alright, another. Mary-san は高校の時元気でしたか? Was Mary energetic in high school or lively? The answers could be yes, I think she was energetic. はい、元気だったと思います。と思う for casual form. Or we can say it in the negative form. She was not energetic. いいえ、元気じゃなかったと思います。いいえ、元気じゃなかったと思います。I think she was not energetic. Alright, now we're going to have some exercise. You may pause the video, try and formulate the answers, positive and negative answers. In this case, we have 山下先生は高校の時背が高かったです。or 山下先生は高校の時よくデートをしましたか? よくギターを弾きましたか? Number 4. 踊るのが上手でしたか? Was he good at dancing? かっこよかったですか? Was he good looking? かっこよかったですか? Right? So you may answer it in two ways, positive or negative. You may pause the video and try and solve the problem. Alright? Alright, so the answers are, for number 1, 背が高かったですか? Was he tall? So the first answer is, はい、背が高かったと思います. I think he was tall. Yes, I think he was tall. Or I think he was not tall. In this case, we say, I don't think he was tall. いいえ、背が高くなかったと思います。いいえ、背が高くなかったと思います。I don't think he was tall. Okay? For number 2, よくデートをしましたか? Did he date often or did he go dating often? The answers could be, はい。よくデートをしたと思います。I think he often went dating. Or he went dating a lot. いいえ、よくデートをしなかったと思います。I don't think he went dating that often. For number 3, よくギターを弾きましたか? Did he play the guitar often? The answers could be, はい。よくギターを弾いたと思います。I think he played guitar a lot. はい。よくギターを弾いたと思います。Or, いいえ。よくギターを弾かなかったと思います。いいえ。よくギターを弾かなかったと思います。I don't think he played guitar a lot. Number 4. 踊るのが上手でしたか? odoru no ga jouzu deshita ka? Was he good at dancing? So, when we say yes, はい、踊るのが上手だったと思います。はい、踊るのが上手だったと思います。I think he was good at dancing. Or negative reply, いいえ、踊るのが上手じゃなかったと思います。踊るのが上手じゃなかったと思います。I don't think he was good at dancing. And finally, かっこよかったですか？かっこよかったですか？ Was he good looking? We may answer, はい、かっこよかったと思います。はい、かっこよかったと思います。I think he was good looking, yes. Or no, いいえ、かっこよくなかったと思います。いいえ、かっこよくなかったと思います。I don't think he was good looking, no. And now for your assignment, please answer these questions or at least try to make guesses about Mary-san. So, 可愛かったですか？日本語が上手でしたか？人気がありましたか？よく勉強しましたか？日本に住んでいましたか？ Okay, so please write the answers in the comment box below. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.